Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use cruise control in your Volkswagen Jetta. First, locate the cruise control stalk on the left side of your steering wheel. Press the on/off button to activate the system. You will see a green indicator light appear on your dashboard, confirming that cruise control is now ready for use. This simple step prepares your vehicle for a more relaxed driving experience on open roads. Once activated, accelerate to your desired cruising speed. Then, simply press the Set button on the stalk to engage the system. Your Jetta will now maintain this speed. If you need to temporarily slow down, you can use the Resume button to return to your last set speed. For minor adjustments, press the plus or minus buttons to increase or decrease your speed by 1 mile per hour increments. There are several ways to disengage cruise control. The easiest method is to simply press the brake pedal, which will temporarily cancel the system. If you have a manual transmission, pressing the clutch pedal will also cancel it. To fully turn off cruise control, press the on/off button on the stalk once more. This ensures the system is completely deactivated. While cruise control offers convenience, it's crucial to use it safely. Avoid using it in heavy traffic, on winding roads, or during adverse weather conditions like rain or snow. Always remain attentive to the road and be prepared to take full control of your Jetta at any moment. Maintaining a safe following distance from other vehicles is also essential for everyone's safety.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.